Welcome to QuizRad, the best place for fun, interactive quizzes. Break the ice, spill the beans, hit the nail on the head. You probably use these idioms all the time, but do you really know what they mean? In today's quiz, we're testing your knowledge of everyday expressions that people often misunderstand. Can you guess them all? You'll get 25 questions with 10 seconds to answer each one. Share your favorite idiom in the comments, and let's see if you're an English pro or if you're just winging it. Let's get started. But before that, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to QuizRad in 3, 2, 1. Ready? Let's go! What does bite the bullet mean? To literally bite a bullet. To endure a painful situation bravely, or to get revenge. To endure a painful situation bravely. If someone spills the beans, what are they doing? Cooking dinner, cleaning up a mess, or revealing a secret. Revealing a secret. What does burning the midnight oil mean? Working late into the night, wasting time, or setting something on fire. Working late into the night. True or false time? Is this statement true or false? Hit the sack means to start a fight. Yes, you are right. It's false. It actually means to go to bed and sleep. What does jump on the bandwagon mean? To literally jump on a wagon, to follow a trend, or to start a new business? To follow a trend? If something costs an arm and a leg, it is free of charge. Very expensive, or a great deal. Very expensive. What does let the cat out of the bag mean? To adopt a pet, to make someone angry, or to reveal a secret unintentionally. To reveal a secret unintentionally. Don't forget to comment your score at the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to QuizRad for more fun content and share it with your friends to help increase their knowledge. What does hit the sack mean? To go to bed, to punch a punching bag, or to get fired from a job. To go to bed. If someone is under the weather, how do they feel? Happy and excited. Sick or unwell. Or confused. Sick or unwell. What does pulling someone's leg mean? Helping them walk. Joking or teasing them? Or tripping them? Joking or teasing them? Did you know the phrase raining cats and dogs might have originated from old houses with thatched roofs where animals sometimes fell through during heavy rain? If someone throws in the towel, what are they doing? Giving up or surrendering, cleaning up a mess, or winning a competition. Giving up or surrendering. What does break a leg mean in theater? A serious injury. A way to wish someone good luck. Or an accident. A way to wish someone good luck. What does back to the drawing board mean? Going to an art class, starting over after failure, or building a new house. Starting over after failure. It's memory time. Remember the positions of these images. Okay, now tell me, this image is on which number? Yes, you are right! If something happens once in a blue moon, how often does it occur? Very rarely. Every day. Or every month. Very rarely. What does hit the nail on the head mean? To fix a broken object, to accidentally hurt yourself, or to say something exactly right. To say something exactly right. What does cutting corners mean? Running in a circle, doing something in a lazy or cheap way, or making precise measurements. Doing something in a lazy or cheap way. Can you guess the odd one out? Yes, you found it! If someone is in hot water, what does that mean? Taking a hot bath, going on vacation, or being in trouble. Being in trouble. What does putting all your eggs in one basket mean? Making breakfast? Relying too much on one thing? Or winning a contest? Relying too much on one thing. What does throwing caution to the wind mean? Taking a big risk, throwing something outside, or ignoring advice. Taking a big risk. Would you rather only speak in idioms for a day, or have to explain the meaning of every idiom you hear for a day? Comment down below. If something happens at the drop of a hat, how fast does it happen? Immediately. After a long wait? Or never? Immediately. What does seeing eye to eye mean? Agreeing on something, making eye contact, or playing a staring contest. Agreeing on something. If someone is walking on eggshells, how do they feel? Nervous or careful about what they say or do? Excited and happy? Or running quickly? Nervous or careful about what they say or do? Don't forget to comment your score at the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to QuizRad for more fun content and share it with your friends to help increase their knowledge. What does the ball is in your court mean? You lost a game? It's your turn to make a decision. Or someone is playing basketball. It's your turn to make a decision. If someone is crying over spilled milk, what are they doing? Cleaning up a mess, complaining about something that can't be changed, or cooking a new dish? Complaining about something that can't be changed. What does barking up the wrong tree mean? Making a wrong assumption. Training a dog? Or cutting down a tree? Making a wrong assumption. True or false time? Is this statement true or false? The phrase "spill the beans" means to reveal a secret. Yes, you are right, it's true. This idiom is commonly used when someone unintentionally shares confidential information. What does hit the ground running mean? Running on a treadmill, starting something quickly and effectively, or falling on the ground. Starting something quickly and effectively. You did it! Whether you knew these idioms inside out or learned a few new ones, improving your language skills is always a win. Idioms add color to conversations, and now you can use them with confidence. Want more fun language quizzes? Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out. Drop your favorite idiom in the comments, and we'll see you in the next quiz.